Today I'm coming to you with this review directly from the source, but would you trust a review for a bidet sprayer from anywhere else? I'll show you exactly how to install it because it takes just a few minutes, and we'll go over exactly what I like about it. But if you've been curious about adding one without it being a massive new toilet seat, this is a great and economical, easy to install option. So let's start with that installation, which if you stay tuned towards the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. But frankly, I was surprised with how easy it was. It only took about 10 minutes and no plumber, no special tools, no stress at all. The kit came with everything I needed, including the T-valve and even a little wrench, which made the process straightforward. Mine didn't need it, or I couldn't use mine because it didn't fit, but if you're looking for a nice, secure connection, the wrench that comes with it just about makes it a sure thing. I just connected it straight to the water line next to my toilet and it was ready to go. But one thing I really like is the adjustable spray angle and the water pressure. You can set it to exactly what feels comfortable for you, whether you need just a little gentle rinse or you're looking for something a bit more powerful. Maybe you want to wash the dog or you want to wash off something in your shower. It can double for that option as well. Pressure stays steady once you set it, which is a nice upgrade compared to the other ones that I've tried or looked at. The build quality feels solid too. Made of a stainless steel, and the hose is reinforced so it doesn't feel flimsy or like it's going to leak, which is important because the last thing you want is water problems in your bathroom, right? And beyond personal hygiene, it's just surprisingly versatile. I've already used it to rinse out the toilet, to clean up after the dog, and even spray off some bathroom surfaces, and even rinse down the shower and spray off some bathroom surfaces. Parents with babies or kids would probably find this really handy as well. But after using it for a little while, here's my final takeaway. If you want a budget-friendly upgrade that makes your bathroom feel a bit more modern and a lot more hygienic, the Handheld Bidet Sprayer is absolutely worth it. It's simple, it's eco-friendly, and frankly, it makes you wonder why more people don't use one. But in any event, I really do think you'll be impressed with this product. If you're looking for something like this, give the one from SPACEREST a try. It was an easy installation, it's affordable, it's economical, and as you can see, the sprayer works really well, the pressure works really well, and overall, just a great option for a handheld bidet sprayer. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.